There you go, Dad.
The stars represent Matariki. You heard of that, right? The 7 sisters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The stars come out to guide you if you only knew. See what love can do.
What's with you?
Fuck 90% of maths.
93.
Whatever. I can hotwire any car in a minute. Show me a house. I'll get in. I got something on my own.
This place eats the souls of my children. You will go back to the island. Your grandparents will take care of you.
No! No way! I'm not going there! This is my home!
Your home is in Tokelau.
I'm not a Turk! I'm a fucking Kiwi!
They'd probably do something at Mount Smart, eh? Being his home ground and all. Maybe a minute's silence before the next game. Something like that, eh?
And then it will be Te Nohodo.
Oh, aye.
What do you mean? Spend the first night at home with you, of course. But then it will be on to Te Nohodo.
Oh, gonna be a big one, eh? Be a lot of mouths to feed.
Yeah.
Meg, I can't do this. Look, I'll talk to Auntie Rachel, tell her that you need some time alone. Not so many people, but Jesus!
He's my husband.
Yes, and he's my brother. He's their nephew, their cousin, their son.
You'll get him, okay? Soon enough, when all that takes over. The weeping and the wailing and...
Sorry,
No,
Sarge.
don't. It's all right. It's all right. I wanted to ring. It was about us, not the whole family. Just us. All this time I've just been borrowing him. Now you're going to take him back.
E te tuakana. Kua tai mai mātou ki runga I tō karanga. Kei kua nei mātou. Tō whānau, o hoa, tō wahine.